Hello you guys, I hope everyone's doing great. Here I am finally with a nail tutorial, and I still use for this nail tutorial the gel that I absolutely hate, but I'm waiting for some IBD gel. It's going to be here in 2 weeks, and yeah, this is like the last time you're going to see me using this gel. I hate it so much. It just makes a lot of bubbles in the gel. No matter how I apply the gel, it has a lot of bubbles. But anyways, I'm also using some really big sequins, and I already saw some nail tutorials with such sequins, and when I saw them I was in love with those nails. I looked for them, and the cheapest I found are on AliExpress. Yeah, I'm going to try to find the direct links for you guys that I'm going to put down below this video. They're really cheap. You need to wait for a couple of weeks to get them, but yeah, they're really cheap. I got only 2 sets, but I'm definitely going to buy some more because they look so cool. Don't you think so? So I already prepared my nails. I applied a nail tip and I applied the primer, and here I apply a very thin layer of gel that I cure. Next I apply a very thin layer of gel, and on top the sequins, and through the entire design you're going to see me using very thin layer of gel, just because I find that like this the gel has less bubbles. Do not hesitate to use a dotting tool like I did to place the sequins exactly where you want. And after I finished all of my nails, I cured the nail. And yeah, to encapsulate, I use 2 thin layers of gel. Like, they're not super thin, but they're still thin for me. And I'm curing each layer for about 2 minutes in the lamp. Even though my nails are pretty smooth, I still like to file and buff the nail. I just want to make sure that my nails are having the shape that I like. And after I finished, I applied the gel top coat and I cured, and that's it. I really like these nails. I like them so much that I didn't do anything on top. They're just so much fun. I don't know. Please tell me in the comments below, what do you guys think? And I am so happy to be back with a nail tutorial. I hope to see you all as soon as possible. Take care. Bye.